Hello guys, it's Makobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to deactivate your Facebook page both in your Android phone and in your laptop. Let's get into the video. So we'll first begin with our cell phone. So you simply log into your Facebook page. You click on this three horizontal line. After which you click on what? Setting. After that you click on the page setting. Once you get here, you simply need to scroll down and you simply click on what? Access and control. Once you're there, you are simply going to see deactivation and deletion. Click on it. So we are going to be deactivating this page. After that, you simply click on what? Continue. So you simply need to give the reason why you are doing this. So I'll just say too many email. After that, I'll click on what? Continue. So guys, you simply click on what? Continue again. So after that, you simply need to click again on continue. So we'll click on what? Deactivate this page. So guys, we are just deactivating that page, as you can see. So for your laptop, so once you're here, you simply need to log into your Facebook page. After that, you click on your profile, click on settings and policies. You click on setting. After which you simply click on what? Policies. You click on page information. Once you're there, you click on review, that's deactivation and delete. You click on continue. So after that, you simply need to give the reason why you were deleting this post. So let me just say I got too many emails. So after that, you simply need to click on what? Deactivate. Now you need to wait. So guys, we are just deactivating that Facebook page. As you can see, the page is no longer there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.